Hi everyone, let's take a look at the following example. Find the integration or the antiderivative of open bracket x times open bracket 1 minus x cubed close the brackets with respect to x. Step number 1, expand this. I'm going to draw some arrows. You can rewrite this as the antiderivative of open bracket x times 1 is going to be x times x cubed is going to be x to the power 4, close the bracket with respect to x. Again, if you go back to the basic rule for the integration of x to the power of n with respect to x, I'm hoping you remember, and this is you by the way, that you add the exponent by 1 and you divide by the new exponent and you're adding a constant, and of course c is an element of real numbers. Then you go back and you follow this idea. X is the same as x to the power of 1. When you add 1 plus 1, that's going to be 2 divided by the new exponent minus x to the power of 5 divided by 5. Again, this is not the answer because you're looking for infinite many cases, also known as a family of solutions. You have to add a constant c. Again, if you want to define this, you can say c is an element of a real number. Now, again, how do we know we're doing it right? How do you double check? I'm going to go back and use a different color here. So if you want to verify that you're doing it right, what that really means is if I start with y equal to half times x to the power of 2 minus 1 divided by 5 times x to the power of 5 plus a constant c, and I take the derivative dy by dx, I should get the question back. And if I do, that means I did it right. And if I don't, I go back and I restructure and I reassess and I try again. Dy by dx is going to be, again, the derivative of half times x squared is going to be x minus the derivative of 1 over 5 times x to the power 5 is going to be x to the power 4. And when we differentiate a constant, that's going to be 0. And to really go back to the general form that was given to us, we're going to factor x to the front, which means in the brackets it's going to be 1 minus x cubed. And again, if I highlight what we double checked, this will give you back exactly the question we started with. I hope this makes sense.